Which statement about the photon among the following given is correct? Whereas c is representing the velocity of a light in free space. Whereas option A is given as the energy of a photon is E is equal h nu. This statement is incorrect because the energy of a photon can be calculated using a formula E is equal h nu, or else we can say hf. Whereas f is representing the value of frequency of a photon and h is representing the value of Planck's constant. The velocity of a photon is the speed of a light. So the formula should be E is equal hf, not E is equal h nu. So option A given here is wrong. Let us check option B. Option B is given as the velocity of a photon is c in terms of second. This statement is correct. A photon always travels at the speed of light c in a vehicle. So option B is correct here. Option A is wrong. Whereas option C is given as the momentum of photon P is equal h nu divided by c. This statement is correct because the momentum of photon can be calculated using a formula P is equal h nu divided by c, where f is representing the value of frequency and c is representing the value of speed of a light. It's given in the question, the photon is moving with the speed of light, which means v is equal c, right? So we can write v is equal h nu divided by c also. So the statement C given here is correct. Let us check statement D. Statement D is given as in a photon electron collision, both total energy and total momentum are conserved. This statement is correct. In any physical interaction, including a photon-electron collision, both energy and momentum are conserved. This is a fundamental principle of physics. So statement D given here is also correct. Statement E is given, photon possesses positive charge. This statement is incorrect because photon is electrically neutral and it does not possess any charge. So statement E given here is wrong. So based on this, we can say option D is the correct answer for this question because statement A, B, C and D only correct here.